Here's our room. This pool is gorgeous. This is a 2-bedroom villa. This is the TV room for the suite. So you have 2 chairs, little garden area, and a TV. So this has 2 like kid beds. Beautiful view. TV is on. Here is the closet. And now for the bathroom. I kind of like the entrance. You can enter through both sides. All of the rooms seem to have like this huge bathtub, and then an outdoor shower is important when you're on vacation. You have your shower over there. It's a huge shower, and I like the stone. And then you have your 2 sinks. We have our stuff around because we just got here, but as you can see, there's like a nice big comfy couch, lots of other seating spaces. The pools here are beautiful. This one's nice and long, and it has a little water fountain feature. And then off to my right, we were just sitting out and hanging out by the pool. But you have your lounge chairs, and let's go check out the master bedroom. So you walk in, and this is your mini bar here. Here we are in the bedroom. Nice big cozy bed. You have your couch, and let's head to the bathroom. So you have your closet area, and then I love bathrooms of places so much. There's like a toilet in there. This is your shower. And then, like a lot of places, you have a nice big bath